to bring three contrasting flavors together to make the most delicious salad. This is my fig and serrano ham salad. The best thing about this is that you get the sweetness from the figs, saltiness from serrano ham, and pepperiness from rocket. By adding these three flavors together, it is like a flavor bomb, and it's a fantastic way to start a dinner party. So what I'm doing is cutting these figs into four. You can see they're bursting with colour, and when you're choosing your figs, make sure you choose figs that are unblemished, just like these ones, and they should be slightly firm, not too mushy, but still slightly soft on the base. Now, figs are best in late summer, so if you can't find them, by all means you can change up the fruit in this. This also works really, really nicely with some pears. Also, grapes work nicely for this recipe. Now I'm going to use around 4 to 5 figs. We'll just cut them in half. It's also a good idea to bring the figs out of the fridge 1 hour before serving them. They'll just taste so much better. Now it's all about plating up, and we're just going to scatter the first layer of this salad. So we're going to compose this salad, if you like, with some figs. Now for the serrano ham, it's also a good idea to bring it out of the fridge 1 hour before serving. It's not only going to taste better, but it's also going to be easier to unravel the slices of serrano ham. We want this to just drape over the figs, so if it's too cold, it'll break up. Okay, so we're just going to carefully unfold. This little piece of plastic's handy too because it ensures we get the perfect slice. Now I'm just going to carefully just break it up and just drape it in and around those figs. This flavour combination reminds me of Italy in summer. I just love it, and every time I make this for my friends, they adore it. This salad is taking shape now, so just a few more little things. Some beautiful peppery rocket. We'll scatter that around, not too much. Just want a small amount so we're still showing off that serrano ham and the figs. So we're almost using the rocket as a herb just to garnish the salad. Now a small pinch of salt, not too much because the serrano ham is salty enough, and some freshly cracked pepper to accentuate the pepperiness of the rocket. And now some good quality extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to use a nice robust Australian version and drizzle that over generously. We need some acidity, so some balsamic vinegar, and we'll just drizzle that over. Look how good that looks so far. And finally, some Parmesan. I like to buy my Parmesan in a block like this. It just tastes so much better. You can finely grate it, or you can shave it just as I'm doing, just with a potato peeler. So nice long strips, and we just need a small handful for this. And then just break it up, and then we'll just scatter that over the top. There you have it. The fastest salad that's full of flavour, it's vibrant, it's the perfect way to start any meal, or have it as a meal in itself with some hot, crusty bread.